here I am and I'm ready to rock. I got my hip waders on, but I ain't got no socks. Got some flies and some lures in my tackle box. Yeah, I'll fish anywhere, even out of the docks. So get your fish on. Come on, come on. I got a fish on. So won't you go on a fish with me? Wow. Don't you know it'll set you free? We're gonna get some big fishies. So come on and fish with me. Yeah, come on and fish with me.
Back in 1973, my dad built Dad's Lake, and it's a lake that I grew up fishing and was basically spoiled rotten as a kid, catching, 4 and 5 pound eastern brook, and it's been a real joy to have this opportunity, and we've provided this opportunity to everybody else now, and to be able to catch some really nice fish and have a very private setting.
So does just have a deep edge all the way around here now?
Yeah, all the way around.
That is great. Makes it nice for shore fishing, huh?
See him?
Yeah. Cool.
See him just
that
come
was,
up and take it?
That was really cool, out of nowhere.
Now here at Dad's Lake, you'd expect to catch eastern brook anywhere from 12 inches on up to about 18 or 20 inches. The rainbow, we've got 2 different class sizes, up to 24 inches.
Wow.
The cutthroat right now, they're running in that 16-inch range right now. Each year we have a difference as where the fish are, and at some point the bigger fish will die off, and then we've got to be planting more fish in.
Hey, fish on.
So fish on over there.
All right, we better go get him. All right, thanks, Mike.
It's a nice brookie.
All right, good job. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's phenomenal. You can just take one step down onto the edge there. Yeah. Or just not that far. Just spooked him. Shoot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is a pretty nice fish. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is.
Oh yeah, it is.
Trying to get down. Oh man, he got into the weeds again. Oh, you see that other one swimming around down there?
Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
Gorgeous. It's a cool view from up here, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful eastern brook. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Woo! Oh yeah. Well, I don't know. Not sure how to release these things. It drops off so fast. Oh. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah. Oh man, this is just
any better than this.
That's amazing.
It does not get better than this.
They're beautiful fish.
What did you catch that guy on?
Believe it or not, this is a damselfly underneath all the gunk there, but trying to clean it off.
That's just a great all-around fly for these lakes.
Yeah, it is. There's lots of damsels in these lakes. And I was twitching it pretty good. I was giving a little
Yeah.
and wham.
Yeah, Derek, cast right to the grass on the other side, and then just drop your fly in and just kind of work it down that edge, because they're feeding right on that edge right there. And a lot of times you'll get to see them come after your fly.
Taking Mike's advice, Derek made a cast. Sink for a second here.
And then waited for the results.
Good. Fish on.
Yeah, good job.
Just like you said.
Yeah, on that edge.
Come on, boy. Oh, I'm not keeping enough pressure on him. This line doesn't have a very smooth drag on it, this reel, so just kind of want to break him off. He's still going.
Fish.
Definitely have some weedage here. Pretty colors. I don't have a net, but snag him in here. As soon as I cast it out to the edge, just pulled him maybe 2 strips and he nailed it right there, right as it dropped off. So sweet.
Oh man. Oh. That is gorgeous. Mike prepares to land a gorgeous cutthroat trout. Beautiful fish, Mike.
Woo! That was a magnificent fish. Beautiful.
Ditto.
Yeah.
Ditto.
Diddle. Nice. Oh, yes. That's a nice fish, too.
Yeah, he's sweet. Nice fish. Whoa.
What is it? Can you tell what it is yet?
Not quite.
Looks like a real
It's
nice
a rainbow.
fish. Rainbow?
Yeah, rainbow.
All right.
I'm right. Nice thick, nice fish.
We're gonna try this dry fly. It was hot a little while ago when the rain was coming down, but the sun's coming out. Hopefully they'll still hit dry flies here. So.
Okay. You're going to want to fish right to the edge of the dollar pads, right there where the fish are working those dollar pads, where the damsels are working up the leaves of the dollar pads.
Okay.
And you're going to want to just take and lay your fly just as gentle a presentation as you can. These fish can really see well in this water.
Okay.
And they're going to spook pretty easily. So you want to kind of almost sneak up into them, and it's just a spot and stalk almost.
Okay.
And they're going to hit it pretty hard and aggressive when they hit it.
Okay.
But you're going to have to present it really well to them.
Well, I'm the man for that. You've seen me work. Hold it, I didn't even start my stock and walk yet. Oh, jeez. He's trying to hit it. Yeah.
Hot fly.
A little more distance.
Leave it there for a second and then just quit.
Okay. Come on, fishy. Yeah, baby! Oh, it's a nice one too. Oh, wow, that was sweet. That was fun. That was awesome. Good advice, Mike. Oh, that's fun. Woo! Yep. Oh, nice rainbow. Oh, yeah. Now let's head for the upper Kenai River for some rainbow trout fishing.
Well, we're here in the upper Kenai River fishing for some rainbows. We're here with Steve Ronholt, his dad Lael. Ladin's behind the camera, and I'm Derek. And we're looking forward to catching some nice fish. Awesome. Oh, Jesus, fish. He's taking it out. Yeah. Well, if you want us to net them when you're ready, let us know, and Ladin will help you out.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. That first run was about 3 or 4 big jumps. Go ahead and play him out, Ladin.
Beautiful. Oh, wow, nice. That looks, what a beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Well, we know they like pheasant tails, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, just a standard one. Let's see the fly.
Oh,
wow.
so sweet.
My faith is restored. That's a prince.
Yeah,
no,
that's pheasant tail. It's kind of a combo.
Yeah,
Is it?
that's real close to what I have on.
Here's closer to us.
Wow, that was amazing.
That's not a prince. Huh?
When I first saw that thing.
This has wire wrapping in the body
Oh yeah.
for the ribbing.
Wow.
Incredible.
I just had one. I just had one on. Oh. And that was a heavy fish too. What I'm doing here is I'm casting out, I'm doing what's called a reach cast. And right before my line hits the water, I kind of reach upstream and let the slack line hit. So it basically sends the line upstream so I get a nice drift, a nice drag-free drift. It's called a reach cast. Observe. A reach cast, are you impressed?
Oh, big fish.
Yeah, he's a good one.
Looks like we got a heavy fish on here. He's fighting really good.
Yeah.
He wants to take some line out. Wow. Big river, big fish. Staying down there. He's in a deep channel. And give him some line. Wow. He's probably is. Okay, he's going in there. Whoa.
He's not ready to stop yet.
I don't think so.
We haven't seen this fish.
He's down there.
Watch the end of that line.
Yeah, I'm already at the indicator, so I can't.
Let a little bit out 'cause it's that little knot right there.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
I really can't pull him in anymore reel-wise, but
I'm being bossy again. Sorry, Derek.
that's okay. Oh, there he is, right there. Big bow. Let's get that net. How about some net? Okay, I can't.
Go ahead and just scoop out.
Okay.
Oh, that's a big bow.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful rainbow. Whoa, he's running. Oh, my. Beautiful.
Oh, what a beautiful fish.
Well, I better get him loose in the water, though.
Yeah.
Here we are in the famous Kenai River, and there's salmon everywhere. And some of them are dropping eggs. We've heard about flesh flies, everything. And what we're finding now is they're taking tiny beadhead nymphs like we use back home. Even with all this other food source, this is probably the best fly we can use right now. I just find that interesting.
Oh yeah. Wow. Another heavy fish. Another heavy fish. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. Man, another. I think this got to be a bow. Oh, there he goes.
Steve makes a fast retreat to keep his line tight.
Oh, I saw his tail. Yeah, is it a sockeye even maybe? Is it salmon? I don't know. It looked almost a little dark. Feels really heavy.
Derek, come up here and fish.
Oh no, it's a rainbow.
Wow.
Ah! Oh no. Oh no.
Darn it.
No, I think that was the biggest rainbow yet.
Ah. I think so too. I think it would have broke 20.
Yeah, oh yeah, that was huge.
I think so. Wow. Ah, I wanted to see that just a little closer.
Oh, that's cruel. That is cruel.
The stick I just hooked felt a lot like a fish and got me all excited.
Yeah, everything goes wrong. Nice job, Leo.
Oh, that's a good fish. That's another good fish. Holy smokes. Look at that thing out there. You can see his dark shadow in the water, in that turquoise water.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that might even be bigger, Dad.
Oh, it's big.
It's nice.
It is nice. It is nice. Oh, nice.
Oh, look.
Oh, nice. Is that a dolly?
It's a big dog.
That's a dolly.
Oh, nice job, Leo.
Good job, Dad.
Awesome.
This Alaska fishing, you can't get sleep because there's too much fun to be had.
Well, we're going to start taking afternoon naps.
It's 8:30, so by 8, I'd say the light was on.
Oh man, this feels big too. Holy smokes.
Dave's on fire.
Oh, holy. I don't know if I need to loosen that drag or not. This is a heavy fish. Feels just like the last one. Maybe even bigger. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my goodness. I might just try and bring. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. You ready?
Yeah.
There he goes. All right. I think the sun just went down over the hill a few minutes ago and we had 2 hookups in the next 5 minutes.